The world's fastest microscope can see electrons moving. Scientists have developed the world's fastest microscope, capable of capturing electrons in motion by using electron pulses that last just 1/quintillionth of a second. The new groundbreaking atomicroscopy device is a highly advanced version of a transmission electron microscope. It allows researchers to see electrons move at extraordinary speeds, roughly 1,367 miles per second, making it possible to observe their behaviors inside atoms and molecules. The microscope is expected to provide new insights into how electrons carry charge and form chemical bonds, helping answer fundamental questions in physics and chemistry. By combining ultra-fast electron pulses with synchronized light pulses, the device enables scientists to study electron movements on a scale previously too fast to capture. Seeing electrons move is exciting because it allows scientists to explore the fundamental building blocks of matter in real time, unlocking new insights into the behavior of atoms and molecules. By observing these tiny particles in motion, researchers can better understand how electrons carry charge, form chemical bonds, and influence chemical reactions, knowledge that could lead to breakthroughs in technology, energy, and medicine. This breakthrough could unlock deeper understanding of quantum physics and the behavior of electrons in various materials, potentially leading to advances in fields such as semiconductors and chemical bonding.
The world's fastest charger can fully power up a smartphone in less than 5 minutes, setting a new world record. Developed by Chinese consumer electronics company Realme, the 320-watt supersonic charge technology surpasses previous fast-charging capabilities, including the 300-watt technology introduced by Redmi in February 2023. The system can charge a smartphone battery to 26% in just 1 minute and to 50% in under 2 minutes. Unlike conventional charging methods that transfer power to a single battery cell or multiple cells sequentially, this fast-charging technology simultaneously charges multiple battery cells within a single battery. The demonstration featured a folded battery design with a 4,420 mAh capacity, stacking 4 cells on top of each other to provide a 10% higher capacity than conventional designs. To achieve this feat, scientists miniaturized each battery cell into layered structures, allowing for more charging capacity in a smaller space. The system is complemented by a power adapter called the Pocket Cannon, which is equipped with 2 USB-C ports for simultaneous device charging. The development of this ultra-fast charging technology represents a significant leap forward in mobile device charging capabilities, potentially revolutionizing how users interact with their smartphones by drastically reducing charging times and enhancing overall convenience.
A quantum computer performed 2.6 billion years of computation in just 4 minutes, solving a problem that is far too complicated for even the largest classical supercomputer. This breakthrough was achieved by researchers in China using their 76-qubit photon-based quantum computer prototype named Zhuzhang. The machine, made of lasers, mirrors, prisms, and photon detectors, uses a technique called Gaussian boson sampling, which involves counting detected photons. With the ability to count 76 photons, Zhuzhang broke the 5-photon record of classical supercomputers. This is not just a theoretical proof, as Gaussian boson sampling could have practical applications in solving problems in quantum chemistry and math, and contribute to the development of large-scale quantum internet. Both quantum and classical computers try to solve problems, but the way they process data to get answers is completely different. The principles of quantum mechanics, such as superposition and entanglement, are crucial for their operation and allow for faster computations than classical computers.